Hot coffee. So yeah, you're probably wondering why I'm making hot coffee on a 90-degree day with a humidity factor of about 70. Well, I enjoy coffee, whether it's iced coffee, brewed coffee, AeroPress coffee. I've been using this AeroPress off and on for a couple years now. My good buddy Maine Dweller gifted this to me a couple years ago, and I've used it off and on. It's not always my go-to method of making coffee, but when I have the time and I really want a good, rich, deep, I like strong coffee, strong cup of coffee, I really like to use this AeroPress. He got this from fireboxstove.com. Steve, the owner of the company, is a great guy, great customer service. I really encourage you to look at his products on his website. You can buy these elsewhere, but I would encourage you to buy it from Steve. He's just a cool guy. But yeah, this is as big as it gets. I'm not sure the weight, it's not much at all, but this is as big as it's ever going to get, so it packs really well in a backpack. And yeah, I can't recommend it enough. I didn't want to do a review of sorts until I've used it. I've used it, like I said, about 2 years now. Not every time, but a lot. I've brewed, I don't know, countless cups of really good coffee with this. And you can temper it however you want. As much coffee as you put in, is, you know, it'd be as strong as it is, really. But that didn't make much sense. But anyway, it's kind of warm out here. I don't know if does it look it? I'm sweating. And I got this shirt on, this long sleeve shirt to keep the mosquitoes off, and it actually works. I treat my clothing with permethrin, and it really seems to help. Anyway, enough rambling. Check out the AeroPress. I think you might like it. Peace.